Come on friends, let's subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online examination. Please revise again and again. Let's start. Question number 1. Calculate the total capacitance value in the circuit. Answer B. 6 microfarad. 2. What is the unit of capacitance? Answer C. Farad. 3. What is the capacitance value of a capacitor that requires 0.5 coulomb to charge to 35 volt? Answer A. 0.014 farad. 4. How the value of capacitance can be decreased? Answer C. Increasing the distance between the plates. 5. Which is the dimagnetic substance? Answer C. Water. 6. Which factor affects the polarity of the electromagnet? Answer B. Direction of current. 7. What is the unit of magnetomotive force? Answer C. Ampere turns. D. What is the total inductance if 3 conductors are connected in series? Answer B. L total equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3. 9. What is the unit of permeance? Answer B. Weber per ampere turns. 10. Which rule is applied to find the direction of magnetic fields in a solenoid? Answer B. Right hand palm rule. 11. Calculate the total value of capacitance of series capacitor circuit. Answer A. 4 microfarad. 12. What precaution to be taken before connecting the different voltage rating capacitors in series? Answer B. Each capacitor's voltage drop must be less than its voltage rating. Number 13. Which material is the paramagnetic substance? Answer B. Copper. 14. What is the part marked as X in BH curve? Answer A. Coursivity. 15. What is the similar term in magnetic circuit for conductance in electrical circuit? Answer B. Permeance. 16. What is the unit of reluctance? Answer C. Ampere turns per Weber. 17. Which is the correct expression of capacitance? C. If the electrical charge is Q and the voltage is V. Answer A equal to A. C equal to Q by V. In how can you increase the pulling strength of an electromagnet? Answer A. Increase the field intensity. 19. Which defines the flux density? Is always lagging behind the magnetizing force. Answer A. Hysteresis. 20. What is the effect on surrounding metal placed in a magnetic field? Answer C. Eddy current. 21. In which device the air capacitors are used? Answer D. Radio receiver. 22. What will happen if the polarized electrolytic capacitor is reversely connected? Answer B. Explode due to excessive heat. 23. Which is the diamagnetic substance? Answer A. Wood. 24. What is the SI unit of flux density? Answer A. Tesla. 25. What indicates the shape of a BH curve of material? Answer C. Magnetic properties of the material. 26. Which electrical quantity is directly proportional to the eddy current? Answer C. Frequency. 27. Which is the cause for changing the permeability? Answer B. Flux density. 28. Which type of capacitor is used for space electronics? Answer D. Electrolytic tantalum type. 33. Which method of magnetization is used to make commercial purpose permanent magnets? Answer A. Induction method. 34. What is the effect of inductance if the distance between the turns increases? Answer A. Increases. 35. What is the function of dielectric insulator in capacitor? Answer B. Prevents any current flow between plates. 36. Which factor is determining the value of capacitance in capacitor? Answer A. Area of the plates. 37. Which type of capacitors are used in RF coupling circuit? Answer B. Monolithic.